This car sparkles. Four-wheel drive. Are you interested in a simply great truck? Then take a look at this dependable 2008 Avalanche 1500 LS. Just arrived. Safety features include anti-lock brake system, curtain airbags, passenger airbag, daytime running lights, dusk sensing headlights. It has nice features like power locks, power windows, auto air conditioning, front air conditioning zones, dual vehicle history report is available for free on our website www.cbsqualitycars.com. Join us in FACEBOOKCOM CBSCRs.